Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Town. My name is Sanjit and I hope you remember me by now. And I'm here again with my new video today. And today I'll be covering something different, not question, but we'll be talking about singular and plural. Because I often hear people whenever they communicate, they always get confused with singular and plural. So today I will try my best to explain you how to use singular and plural nicely. So we have this and that, these and those, and we'll be learning how to use them correctly, right? Where to use them and when to use them, because we often get confused with singular and plural, right? So let's start. So first of all, this. Where do we use normally this? First, this means single. Like this means anything which is singular, and plural. So this, we use this whenever something is near and which is within our reach. So we use this. Let's say this is a marker. This is a marker. And this marker is within my reach. So I would say this is my marker, or this is a marker. And now about that. So whenever, and make sure that this is used only for single item. When something is single and which is near your reach, you use this. So this is my marker, this is my phone, or this is a phone. And where do you use that? That is for, again, single. And which is a little far from us, right? So let's say if my marker is right here, and I'm not able to reach, so I say, that is my marker. Because it's far and single. And not within my reach, a little far and it's single, so I use that. Got it? So which is near, within your reach, and single. So use this. And that is used for single item which is far, not beyond your reach, not within your reach, little far than that, far than you, so you use that. So this marker, that marker, right now. Similarly, these is used for more than one item. So plural. So let's say, let me bring my second mark here. Okay. So I've got two markers here, so it's plural. So I say the, and I have to use, okay. So plural items, and they are within your reach. So they are near and within my reach. I say these are my marker. So these are my shoes, alright, and these are my phones, these are my charts, these are my boards, these are my telephones, these are my bicycles, these are my bikes, these are my trousers. So you say like this, alright, they are plural and within your reach. Now similarly, okay, those is again for more than one item, and it should be little far, which is not beyond your reach, which is not within reach but beyond your reach, right? So you say those are my markers, those are my glasses, those are my chairs, those are my phones. Got it? So this is how we use this and that, these and those. Because these small mistakes, make our communication worse. So make sure that we are able to use these nicely, so that whenever we are communicating, we should sound nice. Alright. So guys, I hope you may have liked my video. So if you liked my video, kindly share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, so that I can upload more videos like that, right? So hope to see you again, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.